Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be drawing a persistent scene of soldiers climbing a mountain. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use a 4 or a 3 size drawing paper to be pencil for drawing and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, which military officer was one of India's most distinguished military leaders? He played a crucial role in the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War, leading to the creation of Bangladesh. He was known for his strategic acumen, leadership skills, and charismatic personality. He was the first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal in 1973. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's capture a persistent mountain climb. Today we have a scene where our Indian soldiers are approaching enemy territory. Our first character is crouching holding a gun. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Our second character is leaning on his back on a rock with a gun in his hands. They are slowly approaching the enemy camp while hiding behind the rocks. Our fourth soldier is also hiding behind a rock while he crouching while holding a gun in front of him. Now let us draw in the fourth soldier who is peeking behind the rock to keep an eye on the enemy and give other soldiers a signal to move ahead. Now let's draw in the background. As mentioned earlier, they are climbing a mountain, so draw the background accordingly. As they will be approaching the enemy camp, let's draw in that too. Draw a flag to indicate the enemy territory. As the camp is at a distance, draw it proportionally smaller. Now let's begin with details for our characters, like the expression and their costume. It makes it easier if you define what your character is doing, so it makes it easier to draw the details. For example, here we have soldiers in an intense situation, so they will have an aggressive expression. Each soldier is carrying a bag with them, so draw accordingly. Also add details like grass and clouds. Always remember, as the object or subject goes far in the background, they will appear smaller in size, so imply that in all your sketches. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our soldiers. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a persistent scene of soldiers approaching an enemy camp. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, popularly known as Sam Bahadur, was one of India's most distinguished military leaders. He played a crucial role in the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War, leading to the creation of Bangladesh. Manekshaw was known for his strategic acumen, leadership skills, and charismatic personality. He was the first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal in 1973. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.